Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to set up your Pinterest account. So now let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. You can sign up using Facebook account, Google, or email address. Now simply choose your preferred sign up method. After signing up, simply go to your profile and add a profile picture, set a username, and write a short bio describing your interest. Select topics like fashion, travel, business, or fitness to get personalized recommendations. You can also start creating board and name it like Formula 1, Manifestation, Bigger Purchase, and etc. And you can also upload your own pins if you want to share content. After these steps, now you're ready to explore and grow your Pinterest. So this is how to set up your Pinterest account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.